Hello, people. I want us to look at advanced advanced financial management. And lastly, there was a video we did on this advanced FM on a topic called merger and acquisition. You can just view it in the previous videos. Today, I want us also to look at this merger and acquisition, and we are going to do CPA, that is Advanced FM, December 2023, question number 3B. Number 3B. Number 3B. And the question reads, Kubwa Limited is considering acquisition of Dogo Limited, a firm in unrelated line of business, in order to diversify their risk. Selected financial data for both firms are provided as follows. We have the Kubwa and Dogo. We are being told Kubwa Limited is considering financing the acquisition of Dogo Limited using share for share exchange or share for debenture exchange. The tax rate is 30%. We are required to compute non-diluting maximum exchange ratio. So when we talk of the exchange ratio, the formula is offer price or over the market price per share of Predator. And we said Predator is that company that want to acquire the other company. In our case, Kubwa is the Predator, while Dogo is the target. There we are. Offer price, on the other hand, we use the formula. The price earning of Predator, we multiply by earning per share of the target. In this question, we have the market price, but we don't have the earning per share. So we are starting with this EPS for each and every entity. We start with Kubwa Limited, then Dogo Limited. And FM is very friendly. The name itself is a formula. We take earning, and this earning, I'm talking about profit after tax. We divide by number of shares in that company. In my case, this Kubwa Limited, I'm being given sales, cost of sale, operating cost, then finance cost. So I'm not given the profit. To compute profit, now I'm computing this earning. I'm going to take sales, and this sales is 100. I minus cost of sale, which is 30. I minus the operating cost of 10, then finance cost of 5 million. What I'm going to get, so that I can get profit after tax, I'm going to multiply with the 1 minus tax, which is 0.7. Then I divide by number of shares in this company. The number of shares in this company, we have 10 million shares. We have 10 million shares. Let's do that. Let's get the answer. We get the answer there. We have shillings 3.85 per share. That is the EPS of this company called Predator. Let's do the same for the target. The EPS of target, I do the same. I take the sales, and the sales we have 50. I minus the cost of sale. I minus operating, and I minus finance cost. Then what is remaining is profit before tax. I multiply by 1 minus tax, which is 0.7 to get profit after tax. Then what you get, you divide by the number of shares in this company. And in this company, we have 7 million shares. We have 7 million shares. Do that. Shillings 3.3 per share. These are the shares. This is the EPS of this target. Having done that, I can now come back to my formula, the offer price. And this offer price, we are saying it is the market price of the predator, which is equal to 40. According to this question, market price is 40. We divide by EPS. We have just computed it here, 3.85. Then I multiply by EPS of target. It was 3.3. All right. Now take 40, divide by 3.85, then times 3.3. Yeah, we are getting offer price of shillings 34.29 per share. And this simply means that one share of target company, we are going to give them shillings 34.29, we as the predator. Having gotten that offer price, we can now compute the exchange ratio, because the question, they wanted the exchange ratio. They wanted the exchange ratio. So I will just come here and say exchange ratio is equal to offer price, which is 34.29. I divide by the market price of the predator, which is shillings 40. That gives you 0.0. 0.857. That is the answer. That is the exchange ratio. The exchange ratio. Now from there, we can do Roman 2. They are requesting us to do the post-acquisition EPS, assuming an offer price of shillings 30 is being offered. So let's do it. Post merger EPS. Post means after, meaning we have combined the firm. So we talk of combined earning, or over shares of predator. We added to shares of target acquired. So in target, you don't take everything. We just use the shares acquired. Combined earning is that profit after tax we have computed. And for Kubwa Limited, how much was the profit after tax? We took 100 minus 30, minus 10, minus 5. You see? Then we multiply by 0.7, that is 38.5. 38.5 For the target company, we take sales of 50 minus 10 minus 5 minus 2, we get 33, then times 0.7, we get 23.1. That is the profit after tax. Then we divide by shares of Predator. We have 10 million true, plus shares of target acquired. Shares of target acquired, we take the exchange ratio. And since now we have new offer price, we'll be having new exchange ratio. They are telling us the offer price to be shillings 30. And we have said exchange ratio is offer price over market price of the Predator, which is 40. Then multiplied by shares of the target, we get shares acquired. So take that 8.5 plus 23.1, then here I'm getting 61.6. Down here we have 30 over 40 by 7, then plus 10, we get 15.25. Now take 61.6 divided by that answer. We get shillings 4.0039, meaning 04 per share. That is the post-merger EPS. Post-merger EPS. We can have the Roman 3 of the question. We are being told the post-acquisition EPS assuming 1,000 ordinary shares are exchanged for 10 units of 15% debenture with a par value of 100 shillings. So that is called share for debenture. Share for debenture. Share for debenture. And we start by computing the amount of debenture. Your working one is the amount of debenture. We are being told the exchange is, you are being given 1,000. Okay. For every 1,000 shares, we are offering how many units of debenture? 10 units. You see? You come and ask yourself, this company we want to acquire, how many shares are there? They are having 7 million shares. So how many debentures are we going to offer to these shareholders? We close multiply like that. Then we divide by 1,000. That translates to around, is it 70,000 or 700,000? Which is which? Yes, 70,000 or 700. Okay, very true. We have 70. It means we are going to get 70,000 units of debenture. And what is the value of one debenture? What is the par value? We are being told the value of one debenture is shillings 100. So what about 70,000 debenture? How much will be this? Cross multiply. Cross multiply. It will be, we have 7 million shillings. Once you have the amount of debenture, remember debenture and interest. So we compute the interest charged. Interest charged now, so that we can complete our calculation. Our working tool is interest on debenture. At interest, we take the amount, 1 minus tax, then times the rate. My amount is 7 million. I multiply by 1 minus tax, which is 30%, then times the rate. This debenture is earning interest at the rate of 15%. 15%. 15%. You get shillings? 735,000. If you want to write it in terms of million, it will be shillings 0.735 million. Therefore, post-acquisition EPS, we take the combined earning, and since now you have this interest, we minus interest over shares of Predator only. So, shares of Predator only. Since now these people, they have become debenture holder, the shares are not increasing. So we are not going to add the shares of Target here. Our combined earning, remember we have profit after tax. It was 38.5 plus 23.1. Then now we minus 0.735 all over the shares of Predator. Yes. Take that 8.5 plus 23.1 minus 0.735. Your answer you divide by 10. We get shillings 6.09 per share. 6.09 per share. Yeah, that is it. That is how we go about that. Yes.